What's up? This the story of Jamar Tucker, aka Baby Hoover Ray, and it's the story of Donald Shorts, aka Baby Blackjack, from 107 Hoover. Michael Lamar Rose took the stand Tuesday in a case of murder, carjacking, and home invasion, robbery in Redlands. Rose, 25, along with alleged Los Angeles gang members, Donald Ray Shorts, 24, Jamar Levon Tucker, 25, and Mark-ILLAZ Williams, 25, are all charged with carjacking Michael Denham of Redlands in April 2005. On April 22nd, 2005, Rose accompanied Michael Denham to a store to have stereo equipment installed in Denham's Range Rover. Rose and Denham were close friends, like brothers. After the equipment was installed, Rose asked Denham for a ride to the house in Los Angeles. When they arrived at the house, Rose told Denham to wait in the car. Shorts then approached the car and spoke to Rose. Rose got out the car and Shorts entered, pointing a handgun at Denham's face. Shorts told Denham to put his hands on the steering wheel. Williams and Tucker then approached the car. Rose, Shorts, Williams, and Tucker were all members of the 107 Hoovers. All the men except Denham were armed. Shorts took Denham out the car and repeatedly struck him across the face with a gun. The man taped Denham up and placed him in the back of the car. They also took a diamond earring from Denham. Police later found an earring on Tucker that was consistent with the earring taken from Denham. The man got into Denham's Range Rover and Shorts drove to Redlands, where Denham lived with his mother, Peggy Faulkner, and her nephew, Gerald Brooks. Rose said that he knew where Denham's family kept money because he was a regular at their home. When they arrived, Rose, Tucker, and Williams got out the car and disguised themselves with masks. Shorts remained in the car, communicating with the others from a chirp, a walkie-talkie device. Shorts was saying things like, "Did you find the money? Did you get this? Did you get that? And let's go." Rose, Tucker, and Williams entered Denham's home. Faulkner and Brooks were home. The man tied Faulkner up and ordered her to lay face down on a bed. Rose told Faulkner, "It's me. Nobody is going to hurt you. We are just here to get the money." The man took money from Faulkner's purse and riffled through the drawers in her home. They took Faulkner's pink cell phone and her car keys. Faulkner heard 2 shots and felt Brooks' body fall on her. One of the men then shot Faulkner 3 times in the head, causing her to lose consciousness. Brooks died from 2 gunshot wounds to the head. Rose and Williams fled in Faulkner's car. Shorts and Tucker left in the Range Rover, with Denham still in the back. As they drove, Tucker shot Denham in the head. Shorts stopped the car, and he and Tucker dumped Denham on the side of the road. Denham played dead until Tucker and Shorts left, and then went to a nearby house to seek assistance. Despite severe injuries, Denham survived. A week later, on April 29th, police stopped a beige Honda Accord in Las Vegas. The 2 male occupants, Shorts and Rose, fled the car. Las Vegas police apprehended Shorts nearby. When Shorts was brought back to the Accord, an officer placed Faulkner's pink cell phone on the hood. Shorts stated, "I fucked up." Detective Todd McMeans asked Shorts what happened to the phone, and Shorts responded that it must have been damaged when I was taken into custody. Shorts then asked McMeans if he was going to tow my car, referring to the Honda. Rose fled to a nearby apartment but was later apprehended. Police found some of the stereo equipment taken from Denham's car in the trunk of the Honda. The police also located some of the stereo equipment in the parked car outside of Tucker's residence. In an interview with the police regarding the home invasion, Shorts claimed he remained outside the Redlands house but heard gunshots come from inside. A jury convicted Michael Lamar Rose, Donald Ray Shorts, and BRUK-ILLAZ Williams of first-degree murder, carjacking, second-degree robbery, first-degree residential robbery, 2 counts of attempted murder, and kidnapping to commit another crime. They was all sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole. Shorts, aka Baby Blackjack, had a whole nother case. Shorts was charged with 3 counts of capital murder for the shooting death of Charlie Wine, Kevin Watts, and Michael Livingston. In 2010, Shorts was sentenced to death for the murders of Wine and Watts and to life without the possibility of parole for the Livingston murder. Jamar Tucker, aka Baby Hoover Ray, was fighting another murder case for the 2005 slaying of Kevin Watts. He was already in prison when he came down to the county jail in 2010 for trial. He got into an altercation with his cellmate, Tiny Moo, which led to his death. Tucker eventually got the death penalty. He got interviewed while he was on death row. "I don't regret nothing. It's just a choice. I never did anything to innocent people," said Tucker. Tucker's only question about the death penalty seems to be, why is it taking so long? "What am I supposed to do for the rest of my life? Just sit here? I'm ready to go," said Tucker. Michael Lamar Rose was out of jail, but on May 8th, 2017, he remained in custody. On June 29th, 2017, he had his court hearing. After the prosecutor re-entered the courtroom, the court found defendant violated probation by failing to report to probation as ordered, giving a false residence address to probation, failing to enroll and complete domestic violence and community labor programs as ordered, failing to complete drug testing, and violating a protective order by being in Lisa's presence, his kid's mother. The court revoked defendant probation and sentenced him to prison for the upper term for 5 years for the second-degree robbery, plus 5 years for the prior serious felony conviction enhancement for a total of 10 years. But yeah, that's pretty much an end for this one. I forgot to mention, Rose and Shorts was blood cousins, but that didn't stop Shorts threatening to kill Rose if he testified on the stand. But that's pretty much the end.